Sometimes we enter paragraphs on our pages that need to be updated after a certain amount of time, and in this video we want to show you how to replace entire paragraphs of content on several pages at once. To do this, we will be using the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin. With this plugin, you can replace part of the content with a few simple steps using a bulk editing tool, so you'll have edited all the pages containing the selected paragraphs in seconds. Additionally, you can do advanced searches, edit thousands of posts or pages in seconds, and you can export or import information via CSV files that you can edit with Excel or Google Sheets. You can find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you'll find the link to our written guide. Once we have installed and opened the plugin, we're ready to search for all the pages to edit. To do this, open the search tool. Once you open the tool, you'll see some fields where you can search for pages by keyword, author, parent post, or you can even activate the advanced filters to have more search options. For this example, we'll search for all pages whose author is Matthew Jones, so we'll enter his name here. After selecting the search parameter of your choice, run the search. Once we have filtered the pages we want to edit, we can use the bulk edit tool to replace entire paragraphs on them. Here, select the rows to update, in this case will be all from my current search. Then, select the field content. Choose Replace as the edit type. Enter the exact HTML text that you want to replace here. And the new here. It is important that you enter both HTML texts using exactly the same format. Finally, execute. After these simple steps, you'll have replaced entire paragraphs for your selected pages. As you can see, you don't need to open and edit your pages one by one, thanks to the Posts, Pages, and Custom Post Type Spreadsheet plugin that allows you to apply this, and many other changes to your posts, pages or custom post types easily in a matter of minutes. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.